Abo, hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys. Depending on whichever time of the day that you are going to come across this video, I'd like to welcome you onto this channel. Hi, bo. Wrong, unless it's a joke. But a joke, yes, even if it's a joke, you know, if I'm a joke, at least a or when umuntu nje ekujoka ngayo every day, it does sometimes get to you, and it's not nice. At first, Grace Mondlana, okay, whatever, with all the things that she was doing or she did with the funeral and stuff like that. But either way, not so long ago, when she hosted that big extravagant event of hers, and people were like, yeah, okay, not everyone, some of the people were like, wow, she's making ama content creators bow down before her. Ama content creators are her fans, her followers, and then others were just mean. You know, I'm not even going to indulge in them or even talk about listen to Baby's shop because it's men are negativity bafethu. And then ngivuka ekuseni bafethu ngizokhala songena manje. And then now sekuthiwa i-cult leader. Almost a khawula hayi bafethu man. Yo man. Yo. Yes, with the funeral thing okungenzeki kubantu kuGrace kuyenzeka. But senembiza nge-cult leader manje. Imani bafethu. Imani. Ulona kanti nenzani? Yes, nami ngifana noLisethi. I do not know ukuthi wenzani.
What is my profession?
Yebo. But how nina you're pushing it manje. Aneke ngane yabantu. And uGrace must carry on as killing it. Mina nje my advice to her, she must keep on doing what she's doing. She's definitely making a lot of people I don't know why am I even going to use the word pissed, because she's just living her life. But unfortunately, some people, they just hate you for you being you. And sometimes we try to now even happy as an individual, but next thing you'll find out that abanye nje bakuzondela ukuthi bakubona ngathi happy. How? Mina yazi toxic. I remember at work, sisase good training, there was this other guy. How mina yazi I always create and all of that just to be off topic. Bengiyabingelela nje noma nganazi. But makube nginibingelele ka 3 anivumi angisanibingeleli. Mina. Abanye they just give people one chance. Abanye they give you 2. Mina kunika 3. Nakhona it depends on mood yami. I'm joking lap. Okay, then there's other times Phumile so groove. Mase Matwalin. Next thing, like this guy comes up to me. The guy's like, yeah, Nile out Tilena who thinks he's better, yada 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 yada. I'm like, and you know, Guma Training Center, sometimes uthola abantu masingekho busy khona bazophuma bezule khona within a training center behambe xoxa nabantu and stuff like that. I'm not like that. I'm not a people's person bafethu ayikabi. Bephume bexoxa nabantu bezule or ndalo abantu abayisitshelayo. Mina ngama I was a person who's always eclassini if angekho busy. Next thing I was just told that. Not so long ago, another guy was also talking about Tina, a group yethu. He was like, Tina says jail. And then we were like, we never did anything to these people, mind you, or anyone else. Even people, we were like, Nina, one of the nicest group we've ever seen that has ever arrived a training center. One of, I'm not saying the only. Understand? And the thing that I so much is I was like, mara niyakumbula ukuthi nami khona omunye wathi ngiyambora because angazi nami, but ngiyamkhumbula ngithi yeah, happens. Some people will just hate you for, you know. Manje Chris, I feel like this is just being pushed so good too much. Yeah, it's too much. Tell me what you think about this whole thing down below, and have you ever also encountered the same thing where people are just about phone for nothing? You understand? Sure.